A compact personalized cosmetic compounding system designed for medical and total beauty care. LIVY. Individual skin data derived from precision scanning. High-end personalized prescriptions driven by skin data and 25,000 plus recipes per product. Premium personalized cosmetics formulated at the moment of order. Advanced dual pump system supporting both liquid and powder ingredients. Fast and precise formulation within 3 minutes. IoT-based ingredient dispensing control, ensuring consistent quality and safety. Advanced precision mixing system, delivering uniform quality. Small batch, personalized, on-demand production. From scanning to formulation, data-driven, customized cosmetics. 30 milliliters, 50 milliliters size options. Compact, lightweight, optimized for any environment. 1,070 millimeters wide, 595.5 millimeters deep, and 839 millimeters tall. Compact, instant, dual, versatile, efficient. A compact, personalized cosmetic compounding system. LIVY.